*860*414#.
Mishesheni ya Inoro TV.
Mwenyitioga ni mwirorari wa shesheni ya Inoro TV riu shirikitie kwihanda thaa 10 na maya ni matemo ma mohoro maria tukiri namo guku kwa Inoro TV na mangi maingi no tukuhaririirie no ukorwo kimamukira mohoro-ini maria maingi mekurumirira ni ritwa ria kwa njitagwo Ikua wa Boshi na ngurikani no twandikire kugerera 2288 mitambo yothe ya ukinyaniria ya Inoro TV na wathi kuria gwa Citizen Digital ona kuo turi okuo na tukiambiriria maria turi namo ni ati thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya githomo yugite ni gwikitwo mogaruruku mutaratara-ini mweru wa marihi ma githomo kia iguru niguo gutigirira gutire murutwo waga mweke wa gutwarithia githomo kumana na gwikirirwo gikiro-ini iria kira muhinyiriria ohoro uyu uheanitwo ni minister wa githomo Ogomba Migos uria ningi ugite ona marihi ma kothi tiganite university-ini ni maroretwo weru kana Ogamba aritie akirekereria ripoti ya woyani wa arutwo university-ini wa College kuria augite arutwo kana arutwo magiri magana matatu nio metitwo kuingira university kwambiriria mweri wa kenda mwaka uyu akigwa arutwo aya ni mahinguriirwo kwambiriria kwiyumiria uteithio wa mbeca cia githomo kuma kuri ruhonge rwa kana rwa HELB.
This number consists of 2024 KCSE cohorts and applicants from other KCSE years. Of the 244,563 candidates who scored C+ and above in 2024, 194,372, which is 80%, have been placed to programs at various levels. Let me also confirm that the MTI is being revamped and it is intended to capture details of the students accurately. The fees for university programs has also been reassessed and rationalized. All students will be supported appropriately and no one will be left behind.
Natagitigana na ripoti yo ni ati ayuthi aria maranyititwo magikuruhanio na hathara ya mirurungano ya gucina wabici ngari o hamwe na indo ingi cia thirikari mwena wa Olkarau kuku ni kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua ni marekereirio na bodi ya ciringi 100,000 o mundu ni igoti mwena wa Olkarau akihinyiriria itua riri mucirithania Judicaster Nthuku ahete thiku 21 mwena wa thitango kurugamirira wira uiganu kuonania ayuthi aya nio manyitire itemi thiini wa mirurungano ya hathara. Wakiri aria marugamirire ayuthi aya matongoretio ni Paul Kirago, Deri Deani na Samuel Gicigi matugiretie itua riri ria igoti ni undu wa kurugama na ihoto cia ayuthi aya.
Having analyzed the matter before me, and for the reasons stated above, I do not find that the police offered good reasons for the continued detention of the arrested persons before me, because the matters they used to justify the detention being suspects of the investigation by taking witness statements, obtaining call data on the applicant's cell phones, analysis of CCTV footage, valuation of the property destroyed being done, are all things that could have been accomplished even with the accused persons or the suspects being out of custody.
Ati nirionania uhoro munene umuthi wa kunania ati gatiba ya bururi uyu ni rauta wira na kinyi na magistrate ucio ni arora watho wa gatiba wega, arora watho wa criminal iretagwo criminal procedure code wega, nouga ati borithi matinarehe wira muiganu wa gutuma igoti riugia atu andu acio maigwo 21 days.
Kuri andu itu a Nyandarua, a Olkalau, Ndaragwa, Njororoko, Kibibiri, Kinangofu, ngomoria kindu kimwe, ihoto iria katiba itu ituhete cia gwika maandamano ma thayo na mundu atakuite matharaita.
Gatugitigana riboti ni ati mũmbunge mũtumia wa county ya Nairobi niwe Esther Passaris ni atiteire mogaruruku maria arendekithia ndereti-ini ya kuramata mirurungano, akiuga ndari hando aranyihia wiyathi wa muingi kwiyaria kana kururungana. Passaris akiaria ri mbere ya kamiti ya ugitiri ya bunge augite ndereti iyo ni ya gutigirira cikaro cia bata cia thirikari ni ciagitirwo kuma kuri arurungani na ona aria matararurungana onao ni magitiritwo. Mamwe ma mari arendekithia ni ati mirurungano ndigatabanagio mita 100 guthiururuka bunge kana magoti na nyumba ingi cia bata cia thirikari.
Honourable members, let me be clear. The bill is not an attempt to muzzle dissent. It is a measure to ensure that protests are not hijacked by violence and that no Kenyan, be it a protester, a police officer, a bystander, suffers unjustly in the exercise of a right. Order is not the enemy of democracy. It is the foundation. We must protect the Republic from disorder and ensure that the exercise of one's right does not become the infringement of another's safety. I urge this committee to support the bill, not for the government, not for Parliament, but for every Kenyan who values peace, justice, and the rule of law. Honourable Chair, I know that, and I've seen a lot of queries coming up on whether my bill and the bill that was once before you, brought by the Honourable Ruku, now currently the CS. I felt that it's important that I show that there is a difference between the two bills, because I know that bill did not see the order of day. So for me, it's important to clarify that while Honourable Ruku's bill sought to regulate the conduct of demonstrators, my amendment of the Public Order Amendment Bill seeks to organize the environment in which demonstrations take place.
Na tukiuma bunge-ini ni ati thiku ithano kuma igoti ria Kikuyu kumudio mwaki hindi ya mirurungano kiumia kihituku riu motungata igoti-ini riu ni macokereirie no cikaro ciario ciratafanirio ihoero-ini ria maabitha a borithi ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kikuyu. Maya ni kuringana na DCC wa Kikuyu Charles Laboso akiuga onake egukorwo akigayana wabici yake na munini wake ACC kana DO wa Kikuyu uria onake wabici yake yacinirwo.
We want to say that our operations as national government are down. We are basically not operating as we used to do. Our officers were placed down. But nonetheless, we have arrangements to make sure that we utilize the available spaces, the offices that were not banned across the road here. We have the ACC's office, and we'll be operating from there for the time being. For the law courts, Kikuyu law courts, they have relocated to Kikuyu Police Station Chapel. That's where they'll be operating from for the next 30 days as we look into all the other available alternatives for us. We are looking at all the possibilities. We are looking at requesting the national government to come in and provide the necessary resources so that we make sure that we restore government services.
Tugithina mbere ni ati ahorani ya ihoto cia o mundu kaunti-ini cia Gicũa-ini ni matetetie kiria marauga ni mutugo wa maabitha amwe a thirikari kunyita ahoraniri ihoto aya migwate. Makieria mari kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, ahoraniri aya marauga ni undu wao gukorwo marugamite na mbeu njithi a rika ria Gen Z aria makoretwo magitetia wathani moru wa thirikari riu ni manjiriirie gukirirwo. Marauga amwe ao makoretwo makinyitwo migwate angi makagagio ni andu marehoka ni maabitha a honge cia thirikari na amwe ao makoretwo makirutirwo mikana na kurumirirwo ni andu arekuwira.
maandamano ni haki ya kikatiba na si uhalifu kufanya maandamano. Na sisi wakati tuko kwenye maandamano tunaandamana peupe, hatujifichi na sura zetu tunazitoa.
Kuna propaganda kubwa sana kuwa hizi maandamano zinapata wafadhili, maandamano zina pesa zimemwaliwa. Hii yote ni urongo. Washike wale watu ambao wanafadhili maandamano. Hii ni kuleta tu kuwa propaganda ili watu waogope kujitokeza. Majenzi nani anawafund? Hawa majenzi wanaishi manyumbani kwao, wengine ni student, watu wakitaka jioni anaenda nyumbani. Kama ni kufund, ingekuwa sasa basi matajiri sana, ingekuwa kila mtu atembea na gari hapa. Kwa hivyo hii ni porojo, ni propaganda ya kuleta tu watu waone kuwa this thing is well organized, na kwa sababu ni ghadhabu. Ingekuwa hakuna shida katika hii nchi, watu wangejitokeza. Kwa hivyo mambo ya kusema kwa tunakuwa funded, hii ni porojo na ni propaganda ya hali ya juu.
Muingi ni uritio wikinyie monanio-ini ma urimi maria marathie na mbere kaunti-ini ya Naikuru niguo uthome maingi megie urimi. Monanio maya maguciriirie kambuni na aigithia makiria ma 200 aria mokite kuonania njira ngaciru cia urimi, urithia wa mahiu ona uramati wa urimi. Muingi ukiurio woe kanya gaka guthie guthoma.
Kone tukuhoya aikari othe a Nakuru na icigira ciao thiini wa kaunti ya Nakuru, Baringo, kaunti ya Nyandarua, kaunti ya Narok na Kericho na Bomet moke nigetha mone urimi uria urekwo guku, ni tondu kwina iganda nyingi muno, kwina exhibitors aingi, twina makiria ya igana rimwe ria 20 na umuthi na turahovia gukinya muthenya wa rucio noke tugakinya exhibitor igana ria 50 aria mena uhigiriru wa maundu megi urimi.
Exhibitors mokite na wingi kuria angi mokite matari moka hindi maradiro na maundu ma drip irrigation, kuria maundu ma biashara. Koguo we wona oka guku ng'ombe ni tukorwo twina ng'ombe njega muno, ona ni tugakorwo twina imwe ikiendio cia Asha study ya livestock, na for the first time study ya livestock kwina training igakora igithi na mbere. Maundu ma sexed semen ni tuiguite president yakiuga horo wa sexed semen uria thirikari ikuhuthahuthia murigo ucio nigetha mbegu cia ndume iria igutwa tugena na mitama mingi. Mwoka study ya livestock ni mugathomithio maundu maingi, maundu meirio cia ng'ombe, maundu ma nguku. Koguo muke na wingi, muke studies section ya livestock na ni mugakorwo mugithomithio ni ataramu itu na ciuria ciothe iria wina cio cia maundu ma livestock uke ni ugacokerio.
Andu moke nigetha merorere au moke mathome, tondu guku niku ungiona githomo na githomo gia tuhu kingikuhotithia uhote kuthondeka mugunda waku na irio ciaku na ona ng'ombe iria urarĩithia ukahota kucirĩithia wega.
Koguo cio ino to ya mbembe na mboco kana na mboga, cio ino ni ya mathomo. Thiku ici cukuru ni maingĩrire kindu gitagwo CBC, ciana irathomithio maundu practical to guthoma tu mabuku-ini. Koguo mathoma kiria marathoma kule cukuru maokaga makerorera. Oko ni urimi wa mbembe, tari mbembe ta ici ino ni mbembe ya mĩeri 2.5 ithiti gukinya mbembe ya mĩeri 6. Koguo mundu ekota kumenya ati tĩri waku hana atia na ni mbembe iriku ngihanda kuu, mbura yakwa nyu hana atia, riũa rĩakwa nyu hana atia, ni ukota kumenya niki ungihanda. Ungithi mwena ũrĩa kwina andu a bengi, tari mukiro ũyũ ũngĩ ni andu a bengi, ana andu a bengi mehaha, hena andu matawe nginya kuhingura account ya bengi, matiwe bia maiga gure maiga bia rungu wa gitanda. Koguo ugoka haha makwira ũrĩa ũngĩhingura account.
Na turio hau ciĩgie urimi ni ati arimi matanyihiire 3,500 kuma kaunti-ini ya Embu matanyitwo kugunika kumana na urimi wa mboco muthemba wa nyota uria uruguritio ni thirikari ya kaunti yo unyitaniri-ini na ngwataniro ya arimi a irio nyumu niyo CGA. Ni mubango utanyitwo gukinyanirio kwa ihinda ria miaka 3 na uruguritio na itemi ria kuongerera magetha na kuhonia aikari a kaunti iyo, kuria oho mubango uyu urerikana ni ugukorwo ugikinyanirio thukuru-ini 85 cia kaunti iyo.
Tuko na mashule 85 ambayo tayari yamejumulishwa kwa hii mradi ya kulima maharagwe ambayo tunaita nyota. Nyota ni high iron bean, na katika hiyo mashule CGA inasaidia shule kulima na wakivuna inakuwa ni mali ya shule. Mbali na hayo, katikati ya mwaka huu na mwaka ujao CGA pia wataendelea kufundisha haya mashule ambayo tumesema 85 jinsi ya kupika upishi. Hii mbegu hii maharagwe ikishavunwa itapikwa na namna gani ndio iweze kudhibiti ama kusaidia wanafunzi wa shule.
Hapa karibu na na tagthi na mbere ni ati ritana ni rikitio kuri wabici itiganite cia thirikari kugia na uigiririki na gwithema na ciiko cia ungumania na cia gukungeria muingi wara. Ni ritana rikitio ni ameba agicunje kia mugunda wa Kikonyokie Kajiado ya Ithũĩro na aria maugite gutiri hindi mangineana taito ya mugunda wao kuri igoti ta uria riathanite. Wacuka wa Kiarie niwe uri na riboti yo makiria.
Amebaya agicunje kia mugunda wa eka 2,800 gia Kikonyokie gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kajiado ya Ithũĩro macemanitie mugunda-ini uyu mwena wa Kibiko. Na haha niho marutite ndumiriri ya guteaniria watho wa igoti uria uramahete mathaa 72 macokie taito ya gicunje giki igoti-ini kuona kwa ihinda iraya gicunje giki gikoretwo kiri na ngucanio.
Tumesema kwa msimamo mmoja, tukamwambia chairman wetu tunayempenda na tunamwamini Moses Ole Parantai, hatutarudisha title kotini.
Yes, hatutarudisha.
Hiyo ruling haiko fair, haijafanyika kwa njia ya haki. The households in this land are more than 1,500. And we have information that the ruling was done with a promise of shaving off over 600 for the ruling to become what it became.
Amebaya maugite aikari makiria ya 1,500 nio megukorwo mari hatikaini ya kuingatwo kwao angikorwo ni mekurumirira watho uyu wa igoti, makiuga ona igoti ritinarumirira njira iria ifatie niguo gukinyaniria matua maya.
Kwa sababu vile tunakaa hatujaikaa kwa amani. Tunapokaa mwanzo tuliletewa kampuni inaitwa San Marino. Ikatufuruga. Tumeletewa subdivision ya shamba ambayo imefeva watu 718. Ajabu ni kwamba maendeleo mimi nimefanya kwa shamba yangu hata hawajaogopa, hawajaniweka kwa hiyo list. Kwa hivyo naongea kwa machungu.
Ihinda-ini riu ni maikitie ritana kuri President William Ruto guikia kabiro wabici itiganite cia thirikari makiuga imwe ni irahuthika kunyamaria muingi.
Revisit your Ministry of Land. Revisit National Land Commission, because the people who are there are actually tainting your image, because we have no peace. Every time we are being disturbed.
Mr. President, the people of Kikonyokie are crying. Mr. President, the courts are ruining your image. We have respect for our court. Kenya is a democratic country. We have a government in place, a government for the people, a government by the people, and a government of the people. That is democracy. But we feel like democracy is not on our side. There is a group of people who are out to take our land.
Na wanatumia jina lako. Wanasema sisi ndio tumetumwa na serikali, tumetumwa na huko juu ni rais. Huko juu wakisema huko juu ni rais. Wanatisha wa mama.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Kikonyokie Kajiado ya Ithũĩro getwo Wacuka wa Kiarie.
Ngatho Wacuka wa Kiarie na riboti ya Wacuka wa Kiarie niratuhe kanya ga gwikira gaturumo mohoro-ini maitu ma matemo mohoro na njira ndaya ni ciarikia kwihanda thaa imwe mu mohoro ma Inooro hwaini na Inooro thaa 3 mareme ukorwo magiterebwo ni Kamau wa Kang'ethe. Na riu nginyagia haha mwiroreri twauma Kikonyokie ngutwara nginya mwena uria ungi wa studio tucemanie na Gikonyore makirira mundu gwitwo Ses na DJ Smiles thiini wa tafarira ya Mwigangaro nigetha nao maturekererie mahindi makiinuke me manogoku. Ni ria kone ikua Boshi ya na wiroreri mwega.